Hi everyone, this is Grace and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to decorate a very simple, cute, clean onesie cookie with a bear on it. The first step is, of course, to outline and flood the cookie. I am doing a 2 consistency outline and flood where I have already piped an outline with a thicker piping consistency, allowed that to dry, and now I'm going in and I'm flooding with a thinner flood consistency. This is a pretty large cookie, so it's always a good idea to use a thinner flood here. This I will flood and then I will allow it to dry completely before I move on to the next step, which is to pipe the details. I find when piping detail on top like this, it is best to use what I call the lettering piping consistency, and that is a slightly thinner piping consistency. It's like a warm toothpaste, and what this does is it will allow the icing to really just rest on the cookie surface, and at the seams it will come together pretty easily. Now, if you wanted to be really particular here, you could go in with a scribe and touch up the little seams where you have the icing connecting, but as you can see, I didn't do that, and I'm okay with the look. The next step is to use a projector to project the image onto the cookie. I will link in this video the projector that I'm using. This is one technique for this kind of decoration. I also could have done a royal icing transfer, which is a different technique. For doing something small like this, I could have used a slightly thicker flood consistency. It looks fine while I'm piping it, but you will see once this cookie is dry that there's a slight bit of crater in the cookie, and that's because the thickness of my flood is a little on the thin side. But it still looks cute. It's still adorable. I'm using a scribe in here to just help it settle out a little bit more. And there you go, folks. That is a simple onesie with a bear in the middle. Hope you have fun.